In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site icon and logo on WordPress.com. It's a simple process, but a crucial one for establishing your site's brand and identity. Let's get started. First, we'll need to log into WordPress. Open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com login into the search engine. Click on the link that says WordPress.com. Everything you need to build your website. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Here, enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's hub where you can manage everything from posts to site appearance. After you're in the dashboard, which is essentially your command center, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Pages. When you click on Pages, you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your site. Browse through the list and select the page where you want your new logo or site icon to appear. Simply click on the desired page to open it. Once the page is open, look for the plus icon, usually found towards the top or in the editing toolbar. Click on it to reveal a variety of block options that you can add to your page. In the search box, type in Site Logo. Doing this will filter the block types to show only those related to site logos. When you see the Site Logo option appear, click on it. This will add the logo upload area to your page. Next, you'll want to click on Upload, which prompts a file selection box. From here, click on Select Files. This will open your computer's file explorer. Navigate through your files to find the image you'd like to use as your site logo. Select your chosen image, then click Open. This uploads the image to WordPress and prepares it to be used as your site logo. With your image selected, click the Select button within WordPress to confirm that this is the image you want to use. Last but certainly not least, hit Save to keep your changes. It's important not to skip this step, otherwise your newly uploaded logo won't appear on your live site. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a new site icon and logo to your WordPress site. This new logo will help distinguish your website, making it more recognizable to viewers. Remember, regularly updating your site's appearance is a good practice to keep your brand dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.